Actually, I just trained only by 5 e-pouches. It taking long time on VIT for the training. For just for 5 e-pouches, for validation accuracy, I am getting 65%. Okay. Then the training accuracy will be increased only comparing to validation accuracy. For validation part, I just import this code. Okay. Once this is over, I can deliver you 100%. So yeah, yes, actually, which I shown you on that time is exactly the part of vision transform only. Okay, by using vision transform, how the loss has been processing and what will be the train accuracy and test accuracy. So based on the images, what will be the classification report? That's what we had get. So I tried with first VIT because VIT itself I didn't get a implementation on that time. So once that is completed, then with VIT with GCN, I just updated to you here. So I just doing here with the part of VIT with the GCN part features. So it started, it will take some time, but it started for one epoch itself it taking nearly huge amount of time, nearly a hour of time. So once totally 5 epoches completed, I can get what will be the classification report and confusion matrix. So I can share you and we can wind up from here. Okay, thank you. I will share you the screenshot once the execution is over.